If Discord is stuck on RTC connecting, don't worry. This is usually a network, browser, or permission issue, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. By the end, you should be able to join voice chat normally again without guessing what went wrong. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord fixes and tech tips. First, open Discord web in your browser and go to discord.com/app. If you're already on Discord and it's stuck loading voice, the first thing to try is a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and R together. This forces the page to reload properly and can clear out temporary loading issues that cause RTC connecting to stay on screen. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to clear Discord site data in your browser. On Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure the time range is set to all time so you remove everything that could be interfering. Then check cached images and files and also cookies and other site data. These two items are the most common reasons Discord gets stuck connecting to voice. Once those boxes are selected, click Clear Data. After that, close Discord web completely, reopen it, and log in again if needed. This often fixes broken session data and gets voice chat working again. Next, try leaving the voice channel and joining it again. Sometimes the connection itself is fine, but the voice session just needs to be restarted. So click leave, wait a moment, and then rejoin the same voice channel. If RTC connecting is still happening, the problem may be microphone permissions. Look near the address bar and click the lock icon. From there, find the microphone permission and set it to allow. If Discord cannot access your microphone properly, it may fail to complete the voice connection. After changing that setting, refresh the page again with Ctrl, Shift, and R so the new permission takes effect. Now let's check your internet setup because network issues are another major cause. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off for now and test Discord again. VPNs can interfere with voice routes and stop Discord from connecting to the right voice server. If you still have problems, restart your Wi-Fi or router. A simple reboot can fix unstable routing or packet issues that prevent Discord voice from connecting. It's also a good idea to close any large downloads, uploads, live streams, or background apps that are heavily using bandwidth. Discord voice needs a stable connection, and too much network activity can cause RTC connecting errors. If none of that works, try opening Discord in Incognito mode by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and. This disables many extensions and can help you figure out whether a browser add-on is causing the issue. Open Discord again in the private window and test voice chat there. If it works in Incognito, then one of your extensions is likely the problem. And if you're still stuck after all of that, try another browser entirely. For example, if you're using Chrome, test Discord in Edge or Firefox. Sometimes the issue is browser specific, and switching browsers can solve it instantly. So to quickly recap, hard refresh Discord, clear Discord site data, rejoin the voice channel, allow microphone access, disable VPN or proxy, restart your internet, close heavy background traffic, test incognito mode, and finally try a different browser. One of these steps usually fixes RTC connecting on Discord. If this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.